Here I have my yogurt and my flour. So let's make this. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which I've already sifted. And to it I'll add 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/3 teaspoon nutmeg for flavor, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less, but my yogurt is sweetened. The yogurt I'm using is sweetened, so that will be enough for me. Mix it together. Then I'll add our yogurt. I'm using 1 cup of yogurt. I just rinsed the yogurt with some water and added it 1/2 cup of water. You know, we're looking for that consistency of buns puff puff. That consistency, middle of buns puff puff, not too thick and not too light. So this is the consistency we have. Not too thick, not thin. And fry it. Transfer to fry. Fry until golden brown, and our yogurt puff puff or yogurt buns is ready. You can call it no yeast puff puff. You can also call it buns. But this was so delicious. Give it a try. If you have yogurt, try it and you will get a delicious snack for you and your family. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and also share to your friends and the loved ones. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.